What's up, guys, and welcome to Titan Trading channel. Here in this channel, we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. We'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock, and I'll be sharing my personal opinion based on my knowledge of technical analysis that I've acquired as a full-time trader. Before we begin in this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say in this video as buy and sell calls. If you wish to be a successful and profitable trader, you must be able to conduct your own research and come up with your own decisions when executing your trades. Alright, so in today's video, we'll be talking about MSM BHD. Definitely the talk of the town as it almost hit its limit out price. Okay, now a little bit of a backstory. Basically, the government will be introducing free floating sugar prices, but it's not that simple. So definitely have to go read up a little bit more on it. I will not cover the details of what the latest update on the fundamental side is about because today's video will be talking about technical charts only. So on the daily chart, obviously, you won't be able to see much as it's been, consolidating, retracing without much volume over the past year or so. All right. So for sure, we have to zoom out and look at the weekly chart to see more details. Okay. So when we look at the weekly chart, I'll drag out my Fibo tool as usual. But it's definitely trading on a downtrend here with 2 ringgit as the earlier local high. Okay, and then let's pass this here and here lah. Okay, actually 1 ringgit and 5 cents, which is the closing price, can be the major downtrend resistance on the weekly chart. Okay, so for now, once we zoom out on the weekly chart, you can see it's very obvious that it's been trading on a downtrend, and today it managed to rebound all the way towards the main downtrend resistance. Now the question is, could this parabolic rally or potential rally become parabolic, all right? Or would it just end up dumping back towards the 80 cents to 90 cents level? So for now, it's a bit hard to say, but when I monitored the transactions during trading hours, it actually saw pretty huge selling pressure once it hit above the 1 ringgit and 8 cents towards 1 ringgit and 10 cents level when it almost hit its limit up price of 1 ringgit and 13 cents today. So that itself can be quite concerning if you're a day trader, okay? Because sellers are your absolute enemies. So for now, definitely too early to say if it could form a new uptrend or not, because the 1 ringgit and 5 cents resistance is still quite strong, okay? You can see here, here, and here, right? So for the coming days or weeks, it will be quite crucial to see how MSM performs, right, in terms of its share price. Now, so let's look at the possible outcomes. For now, 1 ringgit and 5 cents is the main resistance, or 1 ringgit and 5 cents to 1 ringgit and 10 cents around there, right? So if it's able to hold above the 1 ringgit immediate support level, it still has a chance of breaking out towards the 1 ringgit and 17 cents and 1 ringgit and 40 cents level and etc. And that will be the best possible outcome. Otherwise, if the downtrend remains valid, then it could get rejected and drop back towards 1 ringgit, consolidate, and drop back towards the 80 cents to 90 cents region. That is a very, very possible scenario, right? It is a bit too early to decide which one is more probable than the other. So I will just list out all the possible outcomes. Okay, so I think these two would probably be the main outcomes in my head right now. And I'll monitor very closely for the 1 ringgit and 10 cent main resistance level for the weekly chart. So for scalpers and day traders, obviously y'all will look into the hourly charts, right? Okay, let me clear off all my drawings. Then zoom in. But actually, if you look at the hourly chart, there's not much to see. It's just a huge knockout phase and then, just like that. So you can't really see much from the hourly charts unless you really zoom into like, say, 15 minutes or so. Even then also, it's not much to see. All right. So for me, when you're looking at the overall trend, it's good to actually zoom out. The further, the better. For now, the weekly chart works well for me. So, yeah, Do take note of what I mentioned about MSM today, and yeah, give us a like and share our video to your friends and family if you find our information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated to all upcoming videos, and yeah, have fun.